I go to everybody and I say, look, that's not real. And then nobody believes it when you do it well, so it's good. I am a pilot by profession, and I travel all over the world. Our hobbies as professional pilots is basically talk about aircrafts, different hotel chains to stay at. I first dealt with hair loss back when I was just finishing high school, so it all started with a drastic weight loss program that I went through. So when I had my hair loss and when it was evidently visually clear that a lot of hair was falling on a regular basis, went through the motions of trying medication, watching all the videos on all the channels, reading forums, and then eventually realized that either we go a route for complete restoration through surgery or transplant, or do it the cosmetic, easy fix, more satisfying way of going through hair systems and hair pieces, as they call it, the new generation hair systems. We go through the hair system approach, which worked out really well, and now it's been about 15 years since I've been doing this. Wearing a hair system is like wearing shoes. If you don't have your hair system on, you sort of get stuck without being able to function. So yeah, it's like part of your day-to-day routine. I mean, you need your system on. It's part of your confidence levels. It brings up your overall demeanor, your overall appearance. It's part of your life now. So I've been using Superhairpieces services and systems from back in the day. I think I would like to say at least 10 years. That was very famous in the Canadian forums and the US forums. And I was reading a lot about it because the quality of hair was known to be better than all your online websites. So yeah, it's been a good 10 years overall. My advice to individuals who want to go this route and get a hair system done for the first time is stick to a company that understands what the sentiments are by getting for a new hair system, and go there and let them handle it for you. Go to a company like Superhairpieces, pick the right system through consultation first, do it right the first time, get the right first experience, and then continue from there onwards.